Hello, I'm Amal Yunus. I'm the Deputy LPC Project Manager. I play a role in the delivery and startup of the LP compression project. The LPC project is initiated to address the natural decline in reservoir pressure, which directly affects the ability to sustain gas production for the asset. To put in context, Hibiscus Brunei produces gas for export to BLNG from our onshore processing plant, OPP, which requires the export pipeline delivery pressure to be maintained at approximately 60 bar. However, due to this natural decline in reservoir pressure over time, sustaining gas production becomes increasingly challenging. To overcome this challenge, the project introduces a low-pressure compressor that increases and boosts the arrival gas pressure from offshore wellheads to OPP to meet gas export specifications. The LPC project consists of installing this compressor with all associated works for civil, mechanical, piping, electrical, and instrumentation.
Hello, my name is Yvonne Chua. I am the Project Control Manager of the LP Compression Project. The project was kicked off in October 2022 when we awarded Thermodyne, which is also known as Baker Hughes, based in France, to supply the ICL compressor, even though final investment decision has not been taken back then. But being a long lead item, it is important to secure the supplier at such early phase. Following final investment decision in May 2023, we then awarded the other two packages, that is the OPP modification scope to Serkandi Kent Energy Solutions and the 66 kV cable laying scope to Serkandi Oilfield Services. After nearly 8 to 9 months of detailed engineering and procurement, the construction at OPP commenced in January 2024. During full field shutdown in September 2025, all the tie-in to existing facilities was completed. Fast forward to 8th April 2026, we have finally started up the compressor.
Hello, my name is Irman Yudiana. I am Project Manager for LP Compression Project. We faced several challenges all along the journey, starting from mobilization at the beginning of the project until pre-commissioning and commissioning. Each phase came with its difficulties. The mobilization of resources was slow. Resources with adequate qualification were not easily available. The engineering phase took longer time. The engineering team was not fully familiar with the technical specifications. Few months were necessary for a learning period. When it comes to prefabrication work for structures and piping, the availability of the material in timely manner was one of the main issues. This caused some delay which subsequently impacted the construction work at OPP. The construction have been performed under SIMOPS condition, where the construction work and the operation of the production plant have existed in parallel. Such situation required particular attention to ensure safe work and operation. This was safely and successfully done. We achieved 2 million work hours without lost time injury. The biggest challenge in this LPC project is the gap in the level of competencies and experience of our contractors between the actual level and the requirement to complete the project safely, timely, and as per budget. The project is delivered with budget overrun and almost 1 year delay. We should take note of lesson learned for future projects.
The LPC project has delivered significant business value by increasing gas production by approximately 50%, directly enhancing revenue generation and extended field life despite declining reservoir pressure. Moving forward, the key focus now is to ensure the long-term reliability and performance of the compressor through continuous monitoring and maintenance to sustain these gains over the life of the asset.
Hi, I'm Song. I'm the country head for Hibiscus EP Brunei, and currently I'm also holding the role of Project Director of the LPC project. First of all, I would like to thank those who have contributed to the safe and successful startup of the LPC project on 8th of April this year. Throughout the project journey, we encountered numerous challenges, but I'm really impressed by the resilience, hard work, and dedication of the workforce. We are proud that the project so far has been executed safely without any lost time injury incidents. The compressor that we are currently operating It's also known as the Integrated Compressor Line, or ICL compressor. It's a highly efficient and low emission piece of equipment which will enable high production reliability and low GHG emission compared to other solutions. It's worth mentioning that as part of this project, we will be achieving several significant milestones. This ICL compressor is the first water-saturated ICL compressor in the world. The ICL compressor we are currently operating is the first ever ICL compressor to be operational in Asia. And by the time the 12 megawatt solar farm, which Helios Hibiscus is currently developing, ties into the compressor, it will be the first ICL compressor in the world to be powered using solar energy. Without the dedication and hard work of my colleagues and support from our stakeholders, all this wouldn't be possible. So, thank you.
Assalamualaikum and good day. I am Farouk Aziz. I had the pleasure of overseeing the execution and startup of the low pressure compressor project during my tenure as the country head of Hibiscus Brunei. The LPC project was very challenging in its execution, with shifting goalposts and tough roadblocks, which tested our resilience at every turn. What got us through was the team's unwavering determination, grit, and creative problem solving. I want to express my deepest gratitude to everyone involved, especially the project team, for your unwavering resolve on this project. Despite facing all the challenges, your tenacity ensured we crossed the finish line. This hard-won success is a direct result of your exceptional problem solving and dedication. Huge congratulations to everyone. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Dougal. I'm the MD of Shell Deepwater Borneo, which is a 35% equity partner in Block B joint venture. And I would like to take the opportunity to recognise and thank all those that have supported the delivery of this very important milestone. That being delivery of the low pressure compression project. It's a very significant project for the joint venture and for Brunei, extending the life of our asset well into the 2030s, sustaining essential gas supply to power progress with less emissions. Installing compression is a natural part of an asset's life, and we have made careful choices with the support of multiple disciplines over many years it takes to deliver an opportunity such as this. We started assessing the concept in the early 2020s, and here we are today responsibly recovering more volume from what is now a mature asset, leveraging cutting-edge technology. Congratulations to all of those involved, and I really sincerely look forward to our Block B joint venture reaching new heights together with many of our stakeholders.
Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. The Petroleum Authority of Brunei Darussalam congratulates Hibiscus Petroleum and partners in the Maharaja Laila asset on the safe and successful startup of the low pressure compression project. The startup is the outcome of the combined efforts of all parties in the project, including the contractors and agencies, to make this happen. For Brunei, achievements like this really matter. They show what is possible when we continue to push boundaries, make the most of what we have, and create lasting value from our resources. As a Petroleum Authority, in our role as stewards of Brunei Darussalam's oil and gas resources, we will continue to support and challenge the upstream industry to maximize the value of its assets. Looking ahead, we look forward to more innovation and opportunities to unlock value across our basins. Once again, congratulations Hibiscus Petroleum on this meaningful achievement. We wish you continued success in the journey ahead. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
To the entire Hibiscus Brunei team, the Low Pressure Compressor or LPC project team, the Petroleum Authority of Brunei Darussalam and all our partners, my sincere congratulations on the successful startup of the LPC. The project is far more than an engineering upgrade. It is a strategic intervention that safeguards the future of our Maharaja Laila Jamalulam asset, positively mitigating natural reservoir decline to sustain gas production, extend field life, and secure the long-term value for Brunei Darussalam and our shareholders. What makes me especially proud is how you delivered this with resilience and utmost dedication. Under conditions of simultaneous operations, through supply chain constraints and an uncompromising attitude towards safety, An incredible 2 million work hours with 0 lost time injuries was achieved, contributing to Hibiscus Brunei's 27 excellent track record. You have displayed our tepat core values of being tenacious, environmentally responsible, people-focused, agile and trustworthy in the best possible way. Congratulations once again.